Hello, everyone, and welcome. Imagine a world where everyone is drawing the same shapes: circles, squares, and triangles. Everywhere you look, people copy each other's work. It looks neat, but nothing really changes. Then one person steps back. Instead of copying, they stare at the blank canvas, wondering what could exist that doesn't yet. With a deep breath, they draw a brand new shape, something no one else has ever thought of. At first, the others laugh, confused by the strange creation. But slowly their eyes widen. They realize it's not just different, it's valuable. This is the power of the 0 to 1 mindset. It's about creating something new instead of repeating what already exists. Going from 0 to 1 means moving the world forward. Copying takes you from one to many, but invention takes you from nothing to something. Think about companies like Google, Tesla, or even the smartphone in your pocket. These ideas weren't copies, they were breakthroughs. They didn't just join the race, they created a new track entirely. That's why they changed everything. The 0 to 1 mindset asks a simple question: what unique problem can you solve that no one else is solving? It doesn't mean the idea has to be huge right away. Even a small but original step can reshape the future. In business, in art, or even in your personal goals, choosing to create instead of copy is what makes you stand out. The one who dared to draw something new showed us that progress only happens when someone is brave enough to start where nothing exists. So the next time you face a blank canvas, don't just draw another circle. Ask yourself, what's my 0 to 1 moment? That's where real innovation begins.